It's moved on the mud.
Stop.
That's what you're doing.
And we thought Gina had a piece of heart. Stop. That's John. That's not John. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. And my big green tractor. I'm looking. We do. What am I? Hey, was he not wearing socks?
What?
Are you not wearing socks? Where? Right.
Have you ever seen Grandma? So fun.
Oh!
That's your girlfriend? That's
Are you gonna give me one?
Aww.
Oh!
That's your other girlfriend?
I hate that.
That's good pieces.
That is too cute. I feel special. I'm gonna put him in my purse. Oh, that's cool.
Take a picture of it.
Look, oh.
Mama, take a picture. Come here and take a picture. Say smile. Say smile. Say smile. Smile. Tell her how you say belly button.
Do it again. Do it again.
Say it right. Go belly button. He'll say we like that.
He's cute.
I love that. I like that.
Me too. I was like, that's cool.
Camera. Did he get it?
No, he moved.
Okay, stay still so she can get your picture. Done?
Oh.
You mean take a picture with me?